Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of operating system. In today's session, we are continuing with the topic Unix or Linux operating system. Myself Kunal Panchal, your instructor. In this particular session, we are going to discuss the remaining Linux commands. So, first of all, we are going to discuss the calculator command. Sorry, calendar command. It is not a calculator. It is nothing but calendar command. Okay. So, what is the syntax of calendar command? So, you need to just open the terminal as we have discussed in the previous session with the help of uh, opening your terminal. You will have this dollar prompt. It means what you are in default shell or you say bash shell. So once you are in bash shell, so on terminal mode, so you can fire one command called cal. Cal is nothing but calendar. It is not a calculator. Okay, so that thing you have to keep in your mind. So once you type cal and press a return key, it will display the current month information with highlighted today's date. Okay, so that is the output of cal command. Yes, so with the help of this command you can come to know that today is 28th June 2020. Okay, now if you want to use various options with the help of cal command that you can use, so there is one manual that we have already understood in the previous session. The manual stands for what? Man stands for manual. Man space whatever the command you want to use. If you write that command and hit the return key, it will display the help of that particular command. So what are the options we have through which we can use various functionalities with the help of that command, that we can easily come to know that. So if you want to use various options with the help of cal, so one more option we have, you can see in the second in this particular snapshot I have executed second command cal space hyphen J stands for Julian. Okay, so if you want to display a Julian calendar, so you need to use this -J option with the help of cal command. Okay, so if you write like this, you will have the calendar in terms of Julian form. So if you use this option -J, it means what? It will display the today's day number out of 365 days of this particular year. Means today is 180th day, okay, of June 2020 month. Okay, so it means what? It will display 180th day of 365 days in a year. So one more option we have this -J. Second option with cal is cal -1. If you write like this, it means what? It will display the current month information. Yes, if you don't use -1, it will simply, if you use cal, as we have discussed in previous slide, you can see the same output would be there in that case. Fine. So, but now if you want to see some specific set of output, so what we can do is cal space -3. If you write like this, it means what? It will display the current month calendar, not only current month calendar, but also its upcoming month calendar as well as the previous month calendar. Means -3 means what? It will total display 3-month calendar, but each 3 month, the current month, its previous month and its upcoming month. So that information will be displayed on the output. Next option is, suppose if you want to display the calendar of whole year. So one more option we have, cal space hyphen y. So it will display cal hyphen y. It will display the whole year calendar. Okay. So this is all about calendar command. Now next command is date command. Date. So the very simple syntax, we have date. Once you date and hit the return key, it will display the current date and time in terms of Indian Standard Time IST. Okay, so today is a Sunday, 28th June, and this is the current time. Okay, 8th June 2020. Fine. So it is not required to use any option in this case. Just need to write date and simply press return key. If you want to use various option with the help of date, you can use it. So date space, suppose if I am writing like this, date space plus then modulo a, small a. In that case, what will happen? It will display the current day in short form. So today is Sunday. So if you want to display only SUN, short form of this particular day, so you can display like this. So date space plus percentage small a, you need to write. Okay, same way if you want to display the current day in full form, so date space plus percentage capital A. In that case, it will display in the full form. Same way, date space plus percentage small b. So it means what? It will display the current month in short form, and if you use capital B, it will display the current month in full form. Okay. If you want to display the date in a particular format, like first one is what? Y. Means what? First of all, you need to display the year, then month, and then day. So you need to use this option plus percentage capital F. If you use like this, okay, with date command, so it will display this 20th June 2020 in reverse order. Okay. Then if you want to display the time, okay, in 24-hour format and in this particular format with minute and second, so you need to use plus percentage capital T, which date command. Same way, if you want to display the year in short form, so date space plus percentage small y, so it will display the year, current year in small form. Same way, full form, if you want to display the year in full form, in that case date space plus percentage capital Y. So these are the different options that we have with the help of date command. Now next one is who command. Who. So if you just simply write who in terminal, it will display what are the different terminals we have in this particular scenario. Fine. So there are two terminals we have, 0 terminals and PTS/0 means what? Right now we are logged in Krunal. So Krunal @Krunal means what? Krunal is we can say the terminal that I have created at the time of installing the operating system, Linux operating system, and this Krunal is nothing but the current directory. Okay, Krunal is the first Krunal is nothing but the root directory, the name of the root directory, and that I have mentioned, that I have created at the time of installing the Ubuntu operating system. And second Krunal is nothing but the another directory that I have created afterwards, after installing the Ubuntu operating system. Okay. Now suppose if I am using one option with the help of who command, who am I? It means what? Right now I am logged in which login. So I am logged in Krunal. So it will display the login name. Okay, so instead of who am I, suppose if you want to use log name, so it will display the same output. Log name you need to fire and it will display the same output. Same way, suppose how many users are logged in. So there are two users, Krunal and Krunal. Means one user was created at the time of installing the operating system, and second one is using this terminal right now. Fine. So who, if you want to count the number of users, so who space hyphen hyphen count, these options we have. Who space hyphen hyphen count, through which you can count the number of users are logged in right now. Okay, so this is all about the remaining Linux command, in which we have discussed calendar command, we have discussed date command and who command, which its various options. So I hope it was clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.